The single biggest deception in the YouTube automation space is the obsession with high view counts. Amateurs spend months scripting and editing broad entertainment videos, celebrating when they hit 100,000 views, only to realize their payout is a microscopic $50. Meanwhile, the top 1% of digital assets are pulling thousands of dollars from less than 10,000 views. They aren't lucky, and they aren't working harder. They are manipulating the RPM matrix through a hidden framework known as audience stratification. Today, I'm breaking down the exact mechanics used by elite creators to engineer high payout channels while keeping their assets completely safe from compliance flags. To fix your low revenue, you must understand how the ad serving algorithm actually assigns value. Advertisers do not pay for your content, they pay for the data profile of the human being sitting on the other side of the screen. If your channel attracts a general audience looking for passive entertainment or broad motivation, your ad real estate is practically worthless. Insiders do not target broad demographics. They build high density structural breakdowns aimed directly at corporate decision makers, software buyers, and financial operators. By changing the intent of the viewer, you instantly force the system to serve premium, high bid ad blocks on your video timeline. This structural pivot requires a highly specific script architecture called semantic indexing. The automated tracking systems on video platforms scan your audio tracks, video descriptions, and subtitle files for precise industry triggers. If your script uses generic buzzwords, you get basic ads. But when your data layers include technical vocabulary, like software integration infrastructure, cloud data migration, or enterprise resource allocation, the algorithm instantly categorizes your content as enterprise level real estate. You aren't changing your presentation style or face reveals. You are fundamentally upgrading the semantic value of your digital asset. But driving high bids is only half the framework. Amateurs lose their entire channels because they try to force monetization by placing aggressive income promises or specific financial claims in their metadata, which triggers the automated compliance guidelines filter. Insiders completely bypass the hype market. They structure their videos as pure efficiency audits, software workflow guides, and technical walkthroughs. When you explain how a corporate data layer or a media connector functions on a mechanical level, you build massive authority with a premium audience that organically stays until the final frame, driving your average view duration through the roof. The ultimate secret to scaling this asset class is mid-roll placement pacing. The platform's automated ad insertion tool is notoriously inefficient, often placing ad breaks at random intervals that completely disrupt the retention graph. Sophisticated operators program their scripts to include subtle natural pauses or technical summary breaks every 90 seconds. This allows you to manually configure your ad layers exactly where the viewer's cognitive tension is highest. You aren't spamming the audience. You are structuring the content delivery so that the ad serves as a natural transition point, doubling your revenue layout without damaging your channel metrics. The opportunity to lock in a portfolio of high RPM automated channels is wide open for those who understand data architecture over generic views. As the platform becomes saturated with low-value, repetitive entertainment clips, advertisers are migrating their highest budgets exclusively to verified, system-driven educational properties. If you are ready to stop chasing millions of cheap views and want the exact list of high-bid semantic triggers I use to configure my digital assets, comment the word matrix below. The backend infrastructure will drop the technical sheet straight to your inbox. Remember, we are building this network as an elite media collective, and I am here to give you the raw backend engineering steps. If this breakdown completely changed your understanding of digital leverage, take a single second to hit that subscribe button and join Mila's Wealth Lab family. Turn on the notification bell because in our next session, I am pulling back the curtain on the exact visual prompt matrices that keep high-ticket viewers locked onto your screen. If you know another creator who is currently burning out on low CPM channels, share this structural breakdown with them right now. Let's help them upgrade their financial layout. Drop a like, leave your core insights in the comments below, and as always, stop watching the economy change from the sidelines. Go build your high RPM asset. I'll see you in the next session. Bye.